In this video, we are going to show you how to connect to Philippines VPN for free. Now, if you want to connect to the Philippines using a VPN for free, just choose any of the free VPN options there. Now, the thing about free VPN options there, without subscribing to their premium account, is that most, almost every one of them, even the good ones, you really can't choose the VPN country that you're going to use. You need to click on connect, disconnect, and there are cooldowns depending on the VPN that you're using. Some have longer cooldowns, some have not so long cooldowns. But if you, for example, use Surfshark, the free trial, right? Although you do need, a credit card for this. Just search for Philippines, right? Let's do that and just go here, right? So click on the Philippines option, and you'll be able to connect to that country via your free VPN. No biggie. So pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. I'll see you on the next video.